Today, 50% of Kenyans still live in poverty. Approximately 4 million of us go hungry. 64% of our youth are unemployed. And the greatest challenge we face is how to meet the food and nutritional needs of a growing population, projected to rise to about 85 million by 2050. In their efforts to feed the country, 80% of our population engages in smallholder subsistence agriculture, cultivating less than 2 acres of land. These smallholder farmers face many challenges, top among them being limited access to information and skills, poor access to markets, and poor agricultural linkages. These are some of the reasons why the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation, through the Agricultural Information Resource Center, with initial support from the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations (FAO), have organized a stakeholders workshop on 4th and 5th July 2018 to discuss the establishment of an open data center for the agricultural sector. The Open Data Management System will support attainment of food and nutrition security through sustainable agricultural approaches in line with Kenya government's Big Four agenda. We take this opportunity to welcome you to this stakeholders workshop, which will be attended by policymakers, agricultural research organizations, producers and producer organizations, service providers, agribusinesses, and representatives of national, regional, and international organizations. The guest of honor will be Cabinet Secretary in the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation, Honorable Mwangi Kionjori.